Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw ERC-20 tokens without wrong contract errors, beginner guide step by step clearly. To withdraw ERC-20 tokens, you first need to access your cryptocurrency wallet. Open your preferred cryptocurrency wallet application or website. Log in using your credentials. Once you're in, navigate to the section where your tokens are stored. Locate the specific ERC-20 token you wish to withdraw. Make sure you have the correct contract address for that token. If you don't have it, find it on an official source like Etherscan. Next, go to the withdrawal or send section of your wallet. Select the ERC-20 token you want to withdraw. Enter the recipient's wallet address carefully. Double-check the address to avoid any mistakes. Input the amount of tokens you wish to send. Before proceeding, ensure you have sufficient ETH in your wallet to cover gas fees. Review all the details you've entered. Once you're certain everything is correct, confirm the transaction. Wait for the transaction to be processed. You can track the progress of your withdrawal using the transaction hash provided by your wallet. Once the transaction is processed, the tokens should arrive in the recipient's wallet. If you encounter any errors, check the contract address and ensure it is valid. For any persistent issues, consult the wallet's support resources or community forums for help. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.